Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be explaining how to install the Chrome extension for Tradingtoolx.com. Via this extension, you can do paper trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty option. Also, you can do one-click trading to your trading accounts directly. So to install this extension, open this link. This link is given in the description of this video. Once you open, it will download the zip file. Go to the download folder and extract the zip file. After that, open the Chrome extension page. This link also I have given in the description of this video. If you open, it will show some page like this, and enable the developer mode. So after enabling the developer mode, drag this extracted folder to this page, and that's it. The Chrome extension has been installed successfully. You can add the bookmark by clicking here. It will show the Tradingtoolx extension here. You can log into your Tradingtoolx account. And finally, you will be able to see the links like this. From here, you can do paper trading directly by clicking here. So you can use this page and do paper trading in any of the pages like tradingtoolx.com, or even you can use this in any of your favorite charting library and do paper trading or one-click trades directly from there. So it has lots of feature, like it shows the live call option price, live put option price, along with the call and put IV. You can buy and sell options in the paper trading mode here. You can set the lot size, stop loss, target, etc. I will be covering about this paper trading and other one-click trading in detail in upcoming video. As of now, just install this extension. If you have any doubt in installing, please contact me in WhatsApp. So yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for watching this video.